JavaScript regular expressions. A regular expressions is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern, and the search pattern can be used for text search or text replace operations. Okay, so while we are using the regular expressions, our regular expressions we can use for either text search or text replace, or so we can validate whatever string we are getting, so that one we can validate. To validate the string, then we can use the regular expressions. A regular expressions is a sequence of characters, either digits or alphabets. Okay, a regular expressions is a sequence of character that forms a search pattern, and this search pattern can be used for either text search or text replace. For these two things we can use the regular expressions. When you search for a data in a text, you can use this search pattern to describe what you are searching for. What you are searching for. So we have to know what exactly we are going to search for in the given string. Okay, so then the irregular expressions can be a single character or more complicated pattern. Either it is, if it is a single character, or it is a more complicated pattern. Okay, so the syntax is looks like this. We have to use these backslashes. So inside backslashes, we have to give the pattern. What text we are going to search? What text we are going to search? Okay, so inside backslashes, whatever we are giving, that one is called the pattern. So then after the backslash, so we have to give the modifiers. Okay, so this is the syntax for regular expression. So inside backslashes, we have to give the pattern, and after backslashes, we have to give the modifiers. Okay, so we can see what are the modifiers we are having. Okay, so this is the syntax for a regular expression. Okay, so then, so first thing, string search, string set. So then how we can set a string search method searches a string for a specified value and returns the position of match. Okay, if the whatever we are trying to search, so it will give the first occurrences of that position. Okay, so now we can see the example. 92 js93.html, doc type, then html, then head, then title, JavaScript, regular expressions, examples. Okay, so then inside body h2, examples. So first one we are going to give the search, string search, right? So then, so this one, so I'm creating one div id equal to result. Okay, so then after that script display. So then I have a string. We have to take the string, right? So it's a default string. So let my str equal to welcome to JavaScript regular expressions. Okay, so then this is my search. So what is first one? Search method, right? Let n equal to r, let my search equal to my str dot search. So what you are going to search in this given string? This is a given string. Either it is a given string or we are getting the database, or we are getting the data from the database. So in that content we have to find out one keyword, either letter or either word. Okay, so then inside search is a method. So what is the regular expression syntax? So we have to give the backslashes. Then, so what we are going to search? So I'm going to search JavaScript. JavaScript. Okay. So then now, so then console.log, console.log, then my search. Then, so what we are saying? So it is returning the position, this keyword. So which position it is having? So that position is written. Okay. Now we can see JS 92.html 93. Console it is having in the 11th position. It is having in the 11th position, right? So then if you can see this one, so then if you can count this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is having in 11th position. Space is also counting as a one character. Okay, clear? So this is the search method. So for this purpose, we can use the regular expression. This is the one type of patterns. We are having the different type of patterns. We are having the different type of patterns. We are having a different type of pattern. Okay, so this is one pattern. Okay, using search method. Now we can see another one, a regular expression to do a case sensitive search for JavaScript in a string. Okay, for suppose here I'm giving the cap small j. Okay, now so it is exactly matching. So if it is irrespective of it is exactly matching. Okay, either case sensitive or non-case sensitive. So here, so small JavaScript we are trying to search, but when you this one it is giving the -1 result. -1 means, so we are unable to find that pattern. We are unable to find that pattern because of here we are trying to find the small JavaScript. Here we are having the capital letter. Okay, so for that purpose, so we can use the modifier. We can use the modifier to avoid the case sensitive. To avoid the case sensitive, we have a modifier called I. I is used for to avoiding the case sensitive letters. Now we are getting the 11 position. Okay, so then we can give any word. Okay, it is exactly matching. So for suppose if you are having this space, if you are having this space again, we are getting the -1 because of there is no space in between these things. Okay, so we cannot avoid this. So we can avoid the capital or small. Okay, so that is the one pattern. So the next one is the string replace. String or replace. So the replace method replaces the specified value with another value in a string. Another value in a string. As usual, previously we discussed all those things. So then MySCR dot replace. Okay, my replace. So then, so we are going to replace with comma. So what text we have to replace? HTML comma CSS. Okay, HTML comma CSS. Then JavaScript. Okay, you can see. So replace also same thing. So when you place a JavaScript console.log my replace. Okay, it is replaced. What it is returning? Search method is returned. Search method is return the position. If that pattern is found, so then we are going to, that one is returning the position of where we are finding that one. Okay, so then replace method, so it is returning the new string after replace the text. After replace the text, it is returning a new string. Okay, original strings we cannot change. So then first suppose if we can check the small j, then what will happen? We can, it is not changed because of case sensitive. Okay, now I am placing the I here, then it is changed. Okay, so this is the search and replace methods. Okay, for this purpose we can use the regular expressions. So then after that, modifiers. Three type of modifiers we are having. Three type of modifiers we are having. What are those? So one is I. Modifiers can be used to perform the case sensitive or more global searches. Okay, first one is the I, is the modifier. So performs the case sensitive matching. So then after that, G, G is for global. So till now, so whenever it is first occurrences is happening, then it is returning. So then G is for global match. G is for global match. So then M is for multi-line matching. M is for multi-line matching. Then we can see these three things examples. Same thing. JS94.html. Regular expression modifiers. Modifiers example. So we are having three, right? So one is I. So this is already we used. So then here, so match method we have to use. It's also working fine. Then match method. Okay, my match. Okay. So then we can see. So if it is not having the modifier is not having, so what it is returning, we can see 94.html. So it is returning null. String is not found, so then it is not matched, it is returning the null. If it is returning, it returns the, if it is matches, so it returns the string. Okay, see now JavaScript is returned. So then where it is having 11th position, it is having welcome to JavaScript regular expression. Okay, so this is the one. It is returned as a array. It is returned as a array. Okay, so then now I am placing here JavaScript. So then I can place I here. Modifiers I have used. Okay, modifiers I have used. So then same output we are getting. Right. So first suppose Naki, welcome to JavaScript regular expressions, and again I am placing another JavaScript. So then, so what it is happening? It is happening the same output. So then I am using for here we are able to we are having two times JavaScript is finding two times. So then how can we search this thing? So then we have to use the let my match global global. Okay, we have to use identifier called G. Okay, we have to use the identifier called G. G is for global. So then now you can see what it is returning. See, it is returning two times. Okay, so 0th position and first position. Okay, so what it returns? It returns the array. So 0th position and first position. Then length. So how many times we are finding? So then that many times it is written. Okay. So that is the G is for global. So next one is the multi-line. Multi-line. How we can use the multi-line? Where is this one? Next one is my match multi. Okay. My SCR dot match. So we have to use M. If whenever we are using the multi-line, we have to use this character. Okay, this characters we have to use when we use the multi-line. What happened? Console.log my match multi. Okay, so it returns null. Why? It returns null. JavaScript. Okay, so multi-line is not there. So multi-line means so we have to use I have to use this n, and also we have to use this n. Where is this one? This is the multi-line expression. So when you print this one, so we can, where is this one? Now we can say JavaScript is there, right? What happened? Match and JavaScript. Yes. Okay. So it is having in 12th position. It is having in 12th position. Okay. So when we use the G also we can use it. We are having two positions. Okay. So this is the multi-line search. Okay. So this is the multi-line search. Okay, so then three type of key modifiers we are having. One is I is for case sensitive, G is for global, M is for multi-line search. Okay, so the next one is the so regular expressions patterns. How many types of patterns we are having? Okay, so first one is the brackets are used to find the range of characters. So if you can use these brackets, so now we are using only plain pattern. So if you can use this pattern ABC, find any of the character between these brackets. Find any of the character between these brackets. Okay, so then, so if you can in this in the brackets, if you can use the alphabets, so it is going to search alphabets. If you can give the digits, it is trying to search the digits. Okay, it is giving the it is trying to search the digits. Okay, so then first we can see these two things. Yes, 95.html. Okay, so first one, welcome. Okay, so then welcome to JavaScript. Okay, I'm placing like this. This is my string. Okay, so then what we are having first one is the digits, right? So let my res my result uh, my result equal to my str dot. So then so what we have to use either search or replace match. Then inside this one, so we are giving this one. We are giving this one. Sorry. Inside this one, you have to give this square bracket. Inside square bracket, so if you can give only a, if you can give only a, so then console.log, console.log my result 95.html. See, A is having, A is we are able to find and it is having in 11th position. It is having in 11th position. Okay, here we are having. For suppose, so if you want to, if you can give the G, okay, so globally it is searching. Then we are having two A's, okay, so A and A, alright. So next one, for suppose if you can give the ABC, ABC. Okay, so anywhere B is there, B is not there, JavaScript is there, PC is there. So I'm trying to find the B, D is not there, B also not there, right? So it is giving the null. It is giving the null. Okay. For suppose if you want to find out the range in between of BD any character is having, so then it is returning I am giving the B hyphen D. B hyphen D. Then so we are having C two times. Okay, we are having the C two times. For suppose if you want to A to Z, so any character, so then we have to give like this A to Z. We will get all the letters. Why we are not getting the W? W is the capital letter, that's why we are not getting. So all those letters we are getting. J also not received, right? See here, ELCOME, then after that AVA. Okay, so then if you can use the case sensitive I, so then we will get all the letters. Now we will get the all the letters. So this is the way we can find the alphabets range. Okay, so then after that you can give the, we are having another one is digits, right? My result digit. Okay, so match, you can give the 1. Okay, no, we don't need to use the ing. We can use the g, but no need to give the I, because of in this one there is no cases, right? So I'm trying to find out 1. So then console.log my result digit, none. Okay, because of here I have only 2. Now here I am giving the 2. Okay, I'm able to find. I'm able to find. So then, so you can use the range 0 to 9. 0 to 9, we will get all the digits. Okay, we will get all the digits. Okay, so the next one is, after these two, we are having R condition here. X or Y. X or Y. That means find any of the alternatives separated with text match. It returns the matches string. It returns the matches string. So now you can see my result R condition. Okay, my str dot match. So then here I am giving the ABC, A to Z. Okay, A to Z. Here you can see R condition I am giving either this one or this one. Now you can see console.log my result R. You see, except capital letter, it is, we are getting all the characters. So if we can give the I also, okay. So now everything we can, okay. In between you can give the JavaScript. See now, JavaScript. So in that one we are having C. In welcome we are having C. That's why we are getting this. Okay. So that is the one. So in this one we are having three methods. So one is one is alphabets, alphabets. Another one is digits. Another one is alternative condition. Okay. So either this one or that one. Okay. Next one is Hmm. Meta characters are the characters which are the special meaning. So how we can find the digits? Finding a digits. Okay. Finding a white space character. Finding a white space character. Finding a finding match the begin the word like. Okay. So started string. Okay. Started string. Right. So for that one, these three things we are having. Okay, so one is for finding a digits, we can use the digit. So then after that finding a white space, finding a starting word, finding a starting word. Okay, so then we can see these three things also. Yes, 96 that. Yes, okay. Okay, remove. So then here let my res equal to my str dot match. So then patterns pattern inside. So any digits if you are having, any digits if you are having, so then we can find. So then console.log, console.log my res. Okay, so it is having say, two letter we are having, two digit we are having, it is having in eighth position. It is having in the eighth position. Input is welcome to JavaScript. Here two is have. Okay, for suppose if you are not having this one, we are getting the minus one, none. We are getting the none. Okay, so that is the one. So the next one, white space. To get the white space to matches your white space, space my str dot match yes. So how to use the yes to find out a white space? Console.log space. Then now it is having in seventh position. It is having in seventh position. Then if you can use the G is for global, plus seventh, eighth is two, then ninth. Seventh and ninth position is having. Okay, two white spaces we are able to see. Right? So that is the. So the next one is the B. B means so beginning. Okay, beginning of the word. Let my res be off. Then I'm giving the JavaScript. We can see B. Okay, JavaScript. We are able to find. Okay, we are able to find the JavaScript. For suppose if I can give the J, small j, is none, is none. So beginning of the word. Okay, beginning of the word. For suppose if I am not using J here, then receiving null because of it is beginning with the J. It is beginning with the J. Right? So that is the one. Okay. So next one is finding a Unicode character. Finding a Unicode character. Okay. So if you want to find a Unicode character, so we have to use this U. U means Unicode. Okay. So then we can say Unicode also. Let IRES U. U means Unicode. So then here you can give the U. So then 0057. You can say console.log U W. Okay. W we are had. Okay. So then if we can give the 58 none. Okay. So there is no character. So if we can give the X null again. So then I can give the I is for case sensitive. X is 1. Okay. If W is 57, X is 58, right? So then it's a capital word, capital X. So if you are having the capital X, so then if you can remove the I case sensitive, so then we are able to see. Okay. So if it is having, if we are having the small x, then it is null because of it is following the case sensitive. Then we have to give the modifier I. So then we are able to get the result. Okay. So that is the a unique word. Okay. So the next one is the digit. Same thing only. So then final one. So W. Find a word. Find a word. So we have to give the W. Find a new line character. We have to give the N. Okay. So these two things. Is that one word, right? W. Then this one I'm giving the Java. Java only I'm giving. Okay. It's a W. W means what? So then console.log res W. Null it is result. So we have to give the complete word. You have to give the complete word. Okay. Capital W or small w. Yes. Capital W. Okay. Word. Clear. So this is for matching the word. So next one is the new line. New line we already seen previous. Next one is the n plus n star. Then n question mark. N plus matches anything that contains at least one n. At least one n. Okay. So that means at least one row we are having. So that then it returns the